Hello, hello, hello. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another stream. Welcome. Nice. Okay. Welcome to the stream, bro. So, everyone, today we'll be creating this small corridor. This futuristic one. I think it's called futuristic hallway. Okay. So, we will be creating this one in our engine. So, everyone, welcome back to another stream. These are just simple basic walls and simple basic planes and everything. Maybe some decals like these numbers. Okay. So the stream might be a short one. I don't know. Mukul, welcome to the stream. SK Talva, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, guys. So we are going to create this. Okay. I'm gonna move this here. And we will start. Okay. Start with the plane, okay. I'm going to the front view and use this plane. Maybe this much height. This much. This much. And apply one of this material. Skathalwa, good morning, bro. Good morning. And remove all these segments. Okay, like I said, we'll be using just simple planes with some modifications. Okay. Okay, we'll convert this into editable poly. And we should increase the height, I think. Okay, now we will add two segments. Wait, two extra segments in here. Okay, and then we will insert it and extrude it a little bit to the outside, like we saw in the picture. And we need to change this material to a different one, like this. Okay, for our first wall. And same here, we need to add two more segments around here. Okay. Okay, maybe one more. Actually, you don't need to add on this segment. We can just select this face and insert. And move this edge to the left. And this one to the right. Okay, wait. We should move this a little bit here. Then extrude it. Okay, and change the material. So this is our first word. Okay, just a simple plane. Maybe you should increase the height. I don't know. Now we need to create door entrance like we saw in the picture. Okay. Okay. For that, I'm gonna duplicate this wall. We need to save a copy. Here we need to delete all these parts we extruded. Grow and delete. And we can join this back with this bridge thing like this. And you don't need these segments, you can just delete the control and backspace. Okay, for the door we need to add two segments like this, maybe one more in here. This entrance is actually a large one, so this height, it doesn't matter. Okay, then we will select this face and extrude to inside like this. Maybe if you want, you can just delete this plane. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna keep it. This will be our basic door. Now we need to detach this plane, I mean this face. And accelerator. Okay, we need to create a door with this plane, so I'm gonna divide this plane with one segment. Okay, and maybe two more. This. Hold on, we need to add one more segment in here, so we can select these three vertex and move it to the side like this. Okay, then we will add one more segment in here and change its material. Hold on. Let's move this to the left little bit. And change this material. Okay. Then we need to add one in the center so we can extrude this edge. And close this, sorry, reduce this width like this. Okay. I'm gonna save a copy. And we will select all this, or no, but if I insert this one, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, we need to insert this little bit thing. It's fine, right? Yes. And control I to select the area, then add a different material. Okay. So we will invert the colors inside Unreal Engine. Okay, we'll use white material for this black area. Yeah, maybe you should chamfer these hard edges. Okay, this will be our door. Now I'm gonna attach this one to our wall like this. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this wall one more time, and we will create another one with this. Below the selection, just delete it. And okay, we don't need all these segments. We can just delete, control and backspace. Then I'm going to insert this whole face like this. Okay, then we will select few of these vertex. I mean this one, this one. Then we will chamfer it. Okay. Okay, wait. Maybe third segment. Yes. Don't need to use this segment. Okay, you can just Increase the chamfer like this, and we will extrude to inside a little bit. Okay, just like this, and insert one more time, and select all these faces and change the material. So we can use this on as a different wall. Copy multiple times and we'll move to the side. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate again. Okay, we need to create a couple of walls. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this again and go to the selection, delete them, rectify it, then bridge. What? Non spaces. Now I'm gonna divide this wall into two. Like this. Okay. Well, hold on, we don't need to do that. I'm gonna add a segment in here. Then insert this face. And select this segment, sorry, vertex, and chamfer it. Okay, OPT. So, and increase the chamfer amount. Then extrude it inside. Same technique, okay, just insert it, then select all those faces and apply a different material. And here we can add extra segment, insert, then extrude inside again, and apply sorry, different material. Okay, so we have three different walls. Now say again and duplicate this. Okay, just delete them. Now okay, just add a two segment, and maybe two more, one here and one here, and just extrude to Sorry. Yes, insert it first, then extrude inside, inside or outside, and apply deformity. So we have four different types of walls. Save it. Now we'll create a ceiling. Okay, for that I'm going to duplicate this wall again. Oh wait. Yes, we need to duplicate it. Then grow the selection, delete it, then bridge it. Okay, can use this plane for the ceiling and the floor. Okay, so we have all these meshes. I think for the ceiling we need a light, right? So I'm gonna divide this wall with the three segments and one more in the center. It so I need to chamfer it, right? Okay, then select all these faces and apply a different material. So we can use MSC materials in our engine. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna create something. We'll create a box in here. So we can use this one for the light mesh. I don't know. Just reduce the height and rotate it a little bit. Then convert to double poly. So we'll make this shape or as a triangle one. Okay. Mhm. Apply this material for the light. and we will attach all this together. I think that's it for all these measures. Now we can start unwrapping, then export all this to Unreal Engine. Okay, we'll start this one. Like I said, guys, this might be a short stream, so okay. We'll add this unwrap UVW modifier and control it to select the whole mesh and use the skip planar map and maybe use this legs. Okay, okay, for this one, same technique, just select everything and we'll use skip planar map and relax it. We'll do the door at last, okay. Control A, select everything. Alright, we need to keep legs. Nice, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this is just a plane. Okay, anyway, we will check the UV. And this one. Guys, if you want to see something, you can suggest a topic for our next stream, okay? For this one, planar map, then relax it. Before this light mesh, we will use this pattern mapping. Then back it. Okay, and for this door mesh, maybe you should. This is a plain door, right? So if anything, can just unwrap the UV. So go to 15 and select this mesh. Pick planar map and relax it. Okay, for the rest, we'll press Ctrl I and unselect few of these faces. Then use escape planar map. That's it. Then I'm gonna select this face. Same technique. That's it. Now we will weld this face to the door frame. You need to flip this one vertically and select these two edges and stitch it to our edge. I hope this is gonna work. Okay. Okay, for this floor, you don't need to attach them. You can use a different material for the floor. So select everything and package. Oh wait, we'll pack one by one. And apply different material for this. Okay. Hold on, we need to change this material. And for this one, we'll change this face material. Okay. And this will be our floor, ceiling, and the doors. I think that's it. Now we can export everything to Unreal Engine. Before that, we need to change all this mesh mode. Okay. Our seeing work in the stream. Where do you find these ideas? Images? Google, bro. Just Google it. Okay. Kairlo, right? Have a good stream. Just so in region 5, can you give basic suggestion for the no, bro, just try it. Okay, it's easy to learn. What to do in the beginning? Just explore the basic things like movement, rotation, or you can try try this free assets from Unreal Marketplace. Okay. Okay, guys, for the ideas, you can just search for this Google Images, like this environment concept art or ideas. So we'll export everything. No, export selected. Desktop, new folder. I'll call this some ceiling. Mhm. Selected. So will be our wall one. You can find a lot of concept in Google Images or Windows. Okay, this will be Volt 2, Volt 3. This one Volt 4. I think we need to create one more, maybe a couple of small meshes like this numbers. Okay, no, no. Selected 5 and our floor. Okay, now I'm gonna create text mesh from this shape section, this text, and we'll type something like 05. The no, no, I need to change the font to can't see previews, right? Need to find some sci-fi types. Okay, I can use this one. Okay, wait. Now duplicate this font and try another font. What? Okay, wait. I don't think we can find a font which match for our. Yes, I think it. I'm gonna delete this one and use this font. Maybe two or type T5 or something and change it to different. What the? Yes, I think we need to use decals instead of this meshes. Okay, I can't find a correct. or suitable phone. Okay, I'm not gonna use it. Okay, we'll use this convert to editable poly and add a material. Okay, then save, and we need to add this shell modifier because this this is just a plain for now. And rotate, and we need to check the size. Okay, either we can go for sorry, create a mesh like this, or you can use decals. Okay, now I'm gonna convert this one to editable poly, then unwrap this UV. Uh, okay, I'm gonna just pack this one. We'll use a plain material for this font. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You don't need to manually unwrap everything. So change the pivot to here, and we will export this one. Oh, number. Okay, now we will open the Unreal Engine. Then, okay, sorry. And close this one, guys. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna open one of my last project. This one. Okay, here run it now. Just change to default viewport, and I will show you our last project. Some. Okay, this is our last project now. Change to low. Then we will create a new level. Okay, this basic one. Okay, as usual, we need to create few folders. Maps. Materials and textures. Okay, now we will import all these meshes. Okay, don't no need to change anything, just click import all. Okay, okay, I'm gonna drop all these meshes. Okay, all one. This will be our first one. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this. Duplicate this one. Then replace with wait. Replace with our door. I'm gonna replace this mesh with our another wall, then change it to mirror it to X direction. Here we'll duplicate this one. And replace this plain wall, right? Floor wall. Okay, now I need to turn the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna save this map in here. Fits. Okay, duplicate this wall, then change it to our ceiling mesh. And okay, wait. We need to rotate this mesh and move it here first. Now rotate one more time like this. Okay, just duplicate the ceiling. Mm, Then hold on V to snap this vertex. So like this. Okay, hold on, I think. Okay, there is something. Okay, it's fine. We can just duplicate this ceiling one more time. Okay. Now I'm gonna select all these meshes, then group it and duplicate to the other side. Then transform mirror Y. Hold on. Think we need to increase the gap between the walls. So I'm gonna select all these. Select all these ceiling meshes and group it and move to the side. Then duplicate on the right. So Arthur, welcome to the stream. Okay, bro, you can just I'll show you here. We need to ungroup this one first. Okay, then duplicate. Then hold on V. Okay, V for victory. Okay, and just drag to the nearest mesh, so it will snap automatically. See, it's like that. Okay, here I'm gonna group this or ungroup this one. Then we need to change this door location to somewhere here. And we will close this gap to this spot. Duplicate this one. Yes. Nice. These are just simple basic tutorials for this for Unreal Engine 5. Okay, just basic couple of basic walls and some basic materials, and we are good to go. Here we need to transform our X. Thank you. Look, it's the project. I'll be following along. Thanks, bro. Thanks for joining the stream. Okay, now we don't need this floor. I'm gonna delete it. and duplicate this one, change it to our floor mesh, and write it down. Then duplicate one more time. So there is some. These meshes are all wrapping. That's why it's flickering. Okay. So make sure you delete, or you can just okay, hold on. We need to transform mirror Y and sit here first. Also transform mirror X. We need to apply a different material for these two planes because we lost this continuity here. Okay, neat. Now we will duplicate this one. Okay, I'm gonna move this plane here because it's okay. Okay, guys, next time make sure you delete these kind of meshes. Okay. So, things, Samira, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Okay, so we'll create materials now. Okay, I'm gonna create the light material first. Okay, materials. I click. I'm gonna call this line. Save all and open the material and hold on 3 for this color and convert to parameter, connect to base color and add a multiply. Hold on M and scale up parameter. Hold on S, okay. And we'll call this one EMI for emissive. Okay, default value 10 or 12, something like that. And connect it to this one, and we will connect this multiply to MC color and change the default color to white. Okay, this will be our light material, my basic one. Okay, save it. It will take a few seconds to save. Hold on, I need to search for radial exponential. I'm gonna try this. UE. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try this radius default value 1 and connect it to radius and another, duplicate this one, change to density and okay, maybe you should create this one and duplicate this one again. Pull this center or center actually, sorry, and connect here. Or wait, density 45, sorry, 45. I'm gonna add this multiplier more time and connect here. Nothing happens. Aha. Okay. Now change to okay. I'm gonna try this. Okay, right click this material and create material sense. Then save all and open our ceiling mesh. It will be in here and we will apply Okay, if I change the center position to 0.5, what happens? What if I change it to 1.5 maybe? And the density to 0.5, 1.5. 4.3. My radius 0.5. Oh, okay, I think 2 is fine, right? Can use this one. 1.2 or 0.5. And the density back to 1. Okay, we'll see. Okay, that is our light material. I'm gonna change this to medium. Right, like this. And we need to add this post process volume so we can reduce this exposure. First we need to check this infinite extent and change this exposure to 0.7. Okay. Okay, now we will create this more material. Okay, material more. Save everything. And then I'm gonna check my last project. Okay, for the textures. Okay, we'll use this basic material setup. Okay, I'm gonna open this and hold on 3 for this material color. Connect it to base and hold on. I need to check how we didn't apply any normal maps. Okay, fine. Okay, for the reference, I'm gonna search for a texture. Okay, this one will be somewhere here. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Drop this in here and multiply and a scale of parameter. to adjust the roughness value default to 1 and connect it to our roughness. It's not pre-recorded, bro. Anyway, Justin, welcome to the stream. Okay, so basic mode. Change this default color. Okay, wait. We are in a speaker, right? I connected this one to this multiply and duplicate these two again and change the name to spec. Okay, connected this one to our specular. Okay, this will be our basic wall material after this color setup. Apply and make sure you check this two-sided option and save it. Guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So I'm gonna create a material instance from this one. Then open our mesh and apply. But okay, the default color I'm going to use is this black one. Okay, and we will duplicate this material instance to wall white. And change it to white note. Then apply this border, and here we need to change I'm gonna change this reference value to 1.5. Okay, and the spec 2.7. Point 7 or 0.9. Save it, and we need to change. Okay. Now we will duplicate this material again. And change it to a gray, light gray or something. Okay. And open this mesh. Plane here. And we'll apply this black one to, hold on. Okay. Black one here. And this one. The same. I'm gonna apply this gray here. And I use black in here. We need to replace this hole with this one. And open the mesh. And this one. And we need to create one more material. And change the color to orange or red. Okay. Apply it here. We should change the other color to black. No. So okay, and this door here, I'm gonna open the mesh and we'll go for full black. So Okay, for the floor, I think we need to. Now we'll use the same material. Fine. Now open this material. Sorry, mesh and apply this. Or we can just create another material for the floor. This and apply on it and reduce this roughness to 1 and the spec to 1. Color will be, I don't know, maybe black. No, light. Okay, we'll try this one. And one more thing, right? This number thing. I'm gonna place this mesh here. Okay, or we can use beacons from this megascans. It's your choice. Okay, and we'll change the material to a white, maybe. We're gonna change the engine scalability to medium, and we have wait, and we don't need this directional light, so I'm gonna find it and disable it. Okay, just click FX word, and if I change to medium, okay, we need to remove this roughness. I think close. Looks dirty, right? I don't know. Or we can open the material and change to 1. Yes, I think we need to open the base material. Convert the parameter. Either we can delete this roughness map or we can change it. I'm gonna try to change the material. See, so search in here. Plant roughness. We need a metal scratch. So, Udo, welcome to the stream. I don't know, bro. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. This metal roughness. And change the roughness to 0.7. 6 maybe. Okay. Or wait, we can find if I use this one. Okay, this one is fine. We selected and I'm gonna make a copy in here. Copy here. Then open this material and change the roughness map. Okay. Or you can just change the open the basic material, base material, then change it there. And one more, this floor, right? Just change it to floor. Sorry. And open this floor. Change the roughness to 0.7. Use everything, and I'm gonna try to change the MSC color. Ah, nice. Maybe yellow. No, I think blue is fine. I can change the intensity to 17. I don't know. Okay, now we will add this sphere reflection capture. Some and I'm gonna find this exponential for delete it. Hold on, I need to check something. Sphere reflection capture, you can see the reflection in this wall, right? See? And save it. Maybe we need to add this fog back. I think we don't need the fog for this. I think we don't need the fog, guys. Wait. I'm gonna delete this one. Change the scalability to high and nothing happens, so we need to add some lights, but it is fine. Yeah, this gradient, right? Okay, it's just a test, bro. I don't know, delete them later. Okay. Then wait. No, it'll be fine now. See, guys, don't forget like and share. Now, okay, the light's right. I'm gonna add this rect light. Rotate to 90 and rotate again to 90 and move it to the top. If I place this light in here and increase the intensity, no, okay. Here we can increase the light size. Okay, one in here and change to Google and bond or length. Okay, leave it to default and change the color little blue. Okay, and move it to the right. Just duplicate it. And release it. And if I change this engine scalability back to medium, it will be like this. If I change it to high, medium is fine, right? And I'm gonna duplicate this light again and rotate. And change this bond or length and increase the intensity. I don't know. Nice. Maybe you should change the. Okay. To medium. Then duplicate this light to the opposite side. Okay, wait. We need to change the ceiling material. Okay, open the mesh. This one, right? And by black, maybe, or white. Okay, we do color. I think we'll go for this black. And for the floor, maybe you should try this one. Okay, here we need to add a light. So create a new red light and rotate and go to the top. Then increase the height. Yes. Okay, it's the reflection right over there. Maybe you should this light. See this floor flickering actually. Wait, we need to best way to learn on region 5 is to keep things simple in the start and try doing stuff without tutorials. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, sorry for the interruption. Yes, I think I lost my project file. Okay, this one level. Yes, I think I lost my project file. Oh, shit. Everyone, welcome back to the stream, guys. Just power interruption. So anyway, think I can find the map we created. The Windows. So it's not opening, guys. Shit. Hold on. I think we need to recreate the map. Yes, hold on, I need to find the project. Okay. Okay, anyway, Raban, okay, bro, it's fine. Okay, this was the project. We saved it here. It's not opening. I don't know. Yes, I think we need to recreate. Yes, you want me to recreate the map, or we can end the stream. We saved it in here. I'm gonna search for it. See, this file, we have only this built data remaining, but we don't have the original map file. No. Guys, do you want me to recreate the map? Yes or no? Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna save the current level as okay. Anyway, we'll quickly rebuild. Okay. Um, Guys, I'm gonna rebuild the map. No, bro, I didn't use any trim sheets. Okay. Replace this mesh. We have all the materials and everything, but I don't know where the map go. What the- Hold on, we need to rotate the map. Sorry, ceiling, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna duplicate. Group this first. Fuck. Group, regroup. The hell? Control. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate. Sorry, group all these meshes. Then duplicate to the other side. Group, transform, and mirror white. And here we need to change the material and group these two, then duplicate to the other side. Okay, for the we need to wait. Group look. We need to relocate these meshes. Okay, save it. Group again. Then remove this floor. Then we will add our floor. This one. Okay, now I'm gonna change the scale to 4. Wait, change it to 4. It's actually blinking in here. It's okay. Maybe 8. And we'll change the material to black. Now we need to add the post process. Okay. Okay, make sure you check this option. I mean infinite accent. Then change the exposure to 0.7. I'm gonna save this current level as 2. Okay. Then we will find this directional light, disable it, and find this exponential fold, delete it. Now we'll add this rect light, rotate, move to the top. Then we will change to mobile and increase the width and everything. Okay, product lighting density, maybe dimension, and a light blue color, and duplicate to the other side, and duplicate one more time, and rotate to 180 degree. Okay, and place it in here. And duplicate here also. And if I change to medium, okay, hold on. We need to add one more rect light in here. And find this post process volume again. change the saturation and contrast to 1.1. Okay, and we need to increase the size a little bit. I mean, this interior, duplicate it. Yes, this is the second time we are creating this map. Okay, so okay, exports, right? Export, yes. Welcome to the stream. And you set it. Groups unlock. We need to duplicate this. Really? Okay. Okay, now it should be fine. We have enough room, right? And I'm gonna place this mesh in here. Save it. Okay, here we need to change the material to white, I think. Yes. And we'll all this. Okay, delete this one. We'll just duplicate this to the opposite side. So this blue light, okay. Oh, this 6 icon. Okay, save everything again. So guys, I think that's it. I'm just so guys, I think that's it for our futuristic environment. Okay, here we need to place the size. Maybe we should change the wall roughness to 2 maybe. No, 1.5. 0.3. And the floor reflection 0.6. Okay, 0.4. Okay, no, don't mind this because we have this mesh overlapping in here. Okay, you just delete if you have something like this. Okay, so that save everything and find this post process volume exposure. Okay, maybe the mix. You don't need the weaknet. Just a little bit maybe. And the saturation. Okay, maybe the contrast. To no, 1.1 is enough. Be 0.5. And we need to change the ambient occlusion. We change it to high. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna move this floor little bit. What is it? Pivot here. What? I don't know. Maybe check. The medium is fine, right? So guys, that's it for the futuristic environment. Okay, if you want to ask something, you can just comment. Change to cinematic. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Next stream will be on Friday. Okay, and if you want to see something, you can just suggest a topic. Sure, welcome to the stream. Thanks, and please can you show me Max FBS export settings? Okay, bro, you can go back. I mean, the time where we exported all these meshes. Export all these meshes. Okay, I think it will be around point. Sorry, it will be 1 hour and 32 minutes. I think yes. You can check where and you can see this export settings. Okay. Thanks. So guys, I'm gonna end the stream for today, and we will see you soon on Friday. Till then, bye guys. Take care.